Hi, I'm Darnell with Wave Over Recipes, and this is my review of the Philips 3000 series air fryer. So I'm going to go ahead and get it unboxed, and then I'll bring you right back. Alright, so now that everything's unboxed, let me show you what it comes with. It comes with a pretty thick manual. This manual is over 90 pages, but it's only about 30 pages per language because it's in English, Spanish, and French. And basically there's just a basket, pull-out basket. I'm going to show you how this works because there's like a pot and then there's the basket, and you have to know how to get this pot out, but I'll show you that in a little bit in a closer up view. And they do say that they have an app if you want recipes. There's no recipes in the manual here. There's like some cooking guides, but that's about it. And the power cord, it's a little over 3 feet long. It's a 2-prong polarized cord. And they say that this cooker is 1700 watts, so that's near the max. So you don't want to have anything else on the same circuit with this cooker, or you may blow the circuit. And they say that it has 16 cooking functions. And the temperature ranges are about 100 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Time ranges are from like 1 minute to 24 hours. And the time range basically goes longer the lower the temperature is. It's kind of like a range scale. The lower the temperature, the more time you can put up, and the higher the temperature, the less time you get. Now the dimensions of the cooker are 17.17 inches in length by 12.76 inches in width by 11.93 inches in height. And the cooker has a 6.5 quart capacity. And they say that it weighs 12.4 pounds. And so now I just want to show you around the cooker really quick. And so you see the front, and here is your side, and the other side. In the back they have some cord management for you. So they've got this big tab on the back that you can wrap the cord around when it's not in use. And you see the bottom there. So that just gives you a look around, and on top there we'll get things plugged in, and you'll see that display light up on the top there. Alright, so now I'm giving you a closer up view of things. I want to show you inside the interior. You see that it has all metal interior. That's very good for heat retention. Your very big heating coil. You got your air fry fan. You've got a light over there on the left side. And so there's a lot going on up there. And you see that you've got like kind of your see-through window there, so you can see what you're cooking through a kind of top side window. I'm going to show you real quick with this basket because you need to learn how to use it. It's got a couple of lines for fill. It's got 2 fill lines. So it's got like a fill line here for most foods, and then for like fries and potato-based foods, it's got a fill line down here. So it's got 2 fill lines you need to be aware of. And for the basket that's in the pot, give you a good view of this. Basically, this here is like a little button. And you slide that up, and after you slide that up, you can press the button and lift it out like that. And you can lift the basically air fried basket out of the pot. And then you can, clean or whatever you have to do. And then you put it back in, and it locks in place, and it stays locked. And you pull this back when you're sticking it back in there. But I want to show you also inside, when I get this out, there's a little kind of rubbery type of thing there. That stays in place. Don't remove that. And you don't have to worry about that, melting or anything of that. That's not going to happen. And so that just kind of gives you a closer up view of things and how you use things. And just one thing to make perfectly clear, you never use this without the air fried basket in the pan. The basket should always be in the pan, never cook without it in. So now I'm going to do a toast test. I've got a couple slices of my homemade light sourdough whole wheat bread here. I've got 1 slice buttered, 1 slice not buttered. Both are room temperature, but this is far more resilient than store-bought bread. And so I'm going to go ahead, it's really hot in there, but I'm going to set it at 400 degrees I'm going to bring the time down to, let's see if I can get it down. I'm going to do, thinking about 5 or 4. It's like having trouble recognizing the finger touch here. Didn't have my, I guess, finger on there right. But I'm going to do 400, maybe I'll do 5 minutes. I think maybe I didn't have the time fully invoked earlier when I was trying to touch it. We'll do 405 minutes. I'm going to put both slices in like that. So both slices are in. And close up and just hit start. I'm going to go ahead and let that run. Alright, tried to move the camera a little to give you a better view inside, but let's see what we got for this toast. So there we have it. We have our 2 slices of toast. Of course, I know I could have flipped it if I wanted the other side more done, but you can see the back side still got some heat. You know, got some crispiness on the back side there, some searing. The buttered side, you know, soaked through. So that's a look at, you know, making toast in the air fryer. Okay, so now I've got a frozen salmon fillet here. I've put some organic extra virgin olive oil on it and some organic no salt seasoning also. And so I'm going to basically put this in. It's pretty hot in there. I'm just going to put this in and cook it up. In and going to turn things on. We'll just hit the little seafood and see. Well, 400 is way too hot because I'm using extra virgin olive oil. So let's see if I hit the drumstick. Alright, that's better. He's starting out at 360. I'm going to do 350 and probably going to need somewhere between 15-20 minutes or so. So I'm just going to hit start. We'll let that just cook for a while. I'm going to also remove that shake reminder. We'll just let it go and cook. Alright, it's been going for 15 minutes, so I'm going to do a temperature check real quick. Yeah, we're done. We are done. So